night. Make sure the kitchen's clean, then we turn out the light. Raindrops on the window, we're on the couch. Fire in the fireplace, best seat in the house. When God made you, He already knew that we were meant to be. With love as deep as the big blue sea, we were meant to be. Feet on the dashboard, wind in my hair. As long as you're beside me, I'll go anywhere. When God made you, He already knew that we were meant to be. With love as deep as the big blue sea, we were meant to be.
Always be something to learn, always a challenge to face, but then you need the Lord to help you, and so that you can overcome every situation and every season. So trust the Lord with all your heart.
I love you forever and always. Love you, James.
Ain't it funny how love hits you when you least expect it to? Anytime, any place, it can come right out of the blue.
Through Facebook. We're actually common, we're the same on the same school, same year, batchmates practically, but we're just acquainted and we managed to get close through Facebook, through Messenger.
I wanna spend my life with you. I promise I'm yours, always and forever, through the good and the bad, for worse or for better. I wanna be with you for the rest of my days. I promise I love you forever and ever and always.
What is the secret to have a long and lasting relationship? The answer is true love.
From this day on, I will be everything that you.
First impression would be, she looks snub. Kasi, I actually don't know her, but I took the courage to ask her out. So, when she gave me the opportunity to know her, at least I found out that she's a warm person, she's a loving person.
I was gonna spend
Pagiging, yung on the go, and then pagka nagsabi siya na, nag-decide siya noon, time na yun, nagpapakilala siya sa akin, talagang yung plano, nagkakatotoo. So, yung isang bagay na nagustuhan ko sa kanya, kaya na-inlove ang lola mo.
forever and ever and always.
I promise to moving forward with our life together as one body, as a married couple. I promise to support her, nurture her, encourage her, and be an ally to every endeavor that we took as a couple. And then we pray for one another.
So for better, I wanna be with you for the rest of my days. I promise.
Message ko sa'yo, I love you. Joke. Hindi naman kasi siya, life is not going to be a fairy tale like I imagine it to be. But for me, you're my Prince Charming. Kasi alam ko, anything that happens between our lives, even for just laughter and fun, kahit na mga struggles and challenges, I know with you by my side, we will have to communicate and decide on things together para ma-resolve siya and para maging happy-happy ulit tayo.
I wanna be with you for the rest of my days. I promise I love you forever and ever and always.
Christine Joy Torres Lee, I love you so much. I thank the Lord for answering my prayer, my life prayer. Excited to spend the rest of my life with you. I love you so much. Mwah.
I've been a walking heartache. I've made a mess of me. The person that I've been lately
Joy Torres Lee. I take you to be my wife. I promise to love you unconditionally, to support you in your dreams, and to always be there for you. I will encourage your compassion, nurture your dreams, and shoulder our challenges together. I will be your life's companion, your greatest fan, your comrade in adventures, and your companion in joy.
There's more here than what we'll see. A divine conspiracy that you.
I give you my hand, my love, myself, the good and the bad, and the yet to come. I promise to be the partner that you would be proud of and deserve, and I promise to always be by your side. And together, I know we can do anything.
God gave me you for the ups and downs. God gave me you for the days of doubt. For when I think I've lost my way, there are no words left to say it's true. God.
is so good. God's timing is perfect and His wisdom brought you together. So I encourage you, taste and see God's blessing and continue to do that. Trust God with your dreams and your goals and with all your heart. Have that openness to Him.
Together, and what love has tethered us, pray we never undo. God gave me you for the ups and downs.
More than words can say, and I can't wait to spend the rest of my life with you. I chose you to be my wife today and forever across multiverse.
For the days of doubt. For when I think I've lost my way, there are no words left to say it's true. God gave me you.
I can't wait to work hand in hand with you and build a beautiful life together. I love you.
Gave me